Okay, magandang araw. Let's continue on how do we solve quadratic equation. So we have two methods left. So yung una at pangalawa is extracting by square roots at saka factoring ay kung di nyo pa napapanood, dalagay ko sa comment sa description box para mapanood nyo. So let's proceed to two last method for solving quadratic equation. So una is completing the square. So si completing the square, ginagamit, yung dalawang nahuli, ginagamit kapag hindi siya ma-factor out. Yun yung purpose nito. So si completing the square, meron siyang 4 steps. So una, dapat siya ay naka-standard form. Standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So dapat nakaganyan. So pangalawang step, yung constant, ililipat sa right side. Tandaan, to right side. Pangatlo is value of b divided by 2 and then squared. And then pang-apat is to simplify. Simplify. So, ayan siya. Isi-simplify. Dapat yung tatandaan kapag gagamitin si completing the square. Okay, our first example is x squared minus 10x plus 7 is equal to 0. So, kung titignan siya, by factoring, hindi siya pwede kasi ang factor ng 7 is 7 and 1 lang. So, pag pinag-add natin yung 7 at saka 1, 8 lang nilalabas. So, hindi kaya maging 10. So, kaya gamitin natin yung third way or third method which is the completing the square. So, first step natin dapat titingnan natin kung naka-standard form. So, kung titingnan natin, naka-standard form naman siya. So, pangalawang step, kailangan daw yung value ng constant ilipat sa right side. So, magiging x squared minus 10x is equal to, so, dapat yung positive 7, pag lumipat sa kabila, magiging negative 7. Okay. Second step, third step, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng b over 2 squared. So, yung b natin dyan is yung value ng linear term, the numerical coefficient of x, the linear term. So, kung gagamitin natin, magiging yung b natin is negative 10. Suppose, dapat negative 10 siya, hindi siya magiging positive. So, divided by 2, so magiging sagot dyan is negative 5. So, squared natin yung value na yan gamit to. So, magiging sagot dyan is positive 25. So, we have the value of the third step which is positive 25. So, dapat, para maging equal ang ating equation, kung mag-add tayo dito, para maging siyang perfect square trinomial, so, positive 25, mag-add din dapat tayo sa kabila para maging equal. So, kung titignan tong equation na to is, by the use of completing the square, ano na siya? Perfect square trinomial. So, trinomial siya. Ibig sabihin, ayan na siya. So, kailangan, kung ano in-add mo dito, yun din i-add mo sa kabila. By notice, so, ang factor niyan, so, meron tayong pwedeng factor nito. X minus 5 is equal squared. Tatandaan, para mas madaling tandaan nyo, yung ginawa yung third step, negative 10, b over 2, so yung b over 2, kung ano magiging sagot yon, yun ay magiging value ng last term sa factor. So kung ito negative 10 divided by 2, negative 5. So ito na yung factor niya, negative 5. So nilagyan natin siya ng square. Yun na ang kanyang so magiging yung from perfect square trinomial, maging perfect square binomial na siya. So, simplify na natin. Negative 7 plus 25 is positive 18. 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay, so, proceed tayo. Para makita natin is square root natin both sides para mawala yung value ng exponent squared. So, x minus 5 now is equal to the square root of 18. So, mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng 80. Dapat yung isa ay perfect square. So, x minus 5 is equal to the square root of. So, ang factor ng 18 na isa ay perfect square ay 9 and 2. 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So, square root of 9 is positive negative 3. So, maging x minus 5. So, ilalabas natin si perfect square. The value of square root of 9 is positive and negative 3 square root of 2. So, hindi pa yan yung final answer. Kasi meron pa tayong value ng constant which is negative 5. So, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, x now is equal to positive 5 plus minus 3 square root of 2. So, we have 2 solution. Yung isa, 5 plus 3 square root of 2 at yung isa naman is 5 minus is 3 square root of 2. So, yun yung paggamit ng completing the square.